Hey, what's up guys? Mark with Under Pressure Power Wash. How's everybody doing? Today we're going to talk about a coil or two coils that might have gone bad on you on the GX690 and then the other similar motors. All right. If you look closely here, I made this clip right here. See this clip that goes around the screw of the hose in the actual coil. And if you look really close up in there, there's a little tab right there. If you see it's a little bit cleaner in there. Well, that tab is a ground that pops out of the coil and it lands right on the side of this metal piece, okay, that picks up the actual magnetic current, okay. So what happens is that rusts or corrodes, and it's just pressed on there, a real quick tack weld from the factory. It's real cheap, and they're made to fail. They want you to buy a new one. So basically, I took it off, I cleaned it up real quick, and then I made this little tab, and I bent it. So when you tighten this, it actually pushes down. It's an L-shaped, and it pushes down on that little tab back there. Now this works fine, and it'll last for a long time. It'll actually probably last forever. Perfectly, it works fine. Trust me, I've done it a couple times on many different units. But when you're in a bind, this is a quick way to get you running and save you $135 for one coil. So hope that helps you guys out. If you got any questions, let me know. It's a very easy thing to do. Take the coil off, be very careful, unplug it, very careful, make that clip, put it back on, you're good to go. I just saved you a lot of headaches and waiting. You could be waiting a week for this coil to show up at your door, and you could be missing out on a lot of work. So anyway, make that money, be safe.